You're watching BDN TV.
You little babies! I took a picture of your license plate and I am reporting you!
What else?
That is what is happening! Make sure you know that!
What else?
Learn how to drive!
TikTok,
before
look
you
at this
take
crazy
someone's
lady.
life!
Oh, look at her kids in the back. They look so scared. You're yelling at a woman in front of your kids you're so
A
scared
woman
about.
who doesn't care about children
Oh,
and
but I have a
runs
child in
stop
my car. You chased me down.
signs. Of course!
Oh,
You
but you're
killed
scared.
my kids!
I almost killed your kids. Where's the mark on your car?
Thankfully, I know how to slam my brakes! Thankfully, I know how to drive!
And your kid is climbing in the front seat without a seatbelt, huh? Keep
And
going.
stop
You want me to
car.
call the cops?
Yes!
Want me
I
to call the
did.
cops?
I did. So I'm
Okay.
making sure they come to you. Yes, I did.
Well, go ahead, baby.
I already did.
What's your name? Get out the car and let's wait for him then.
I am right here waiting for them.
I bet her kids are super obedient because that voice is honestly worse than a beating. I knew it wasn't going to happen, but I kept hoping that airbag would smash Shrillery Duff right in the face.
Be aware. You hit my dog! Did you hit my dog? Excuse me, did you hit my dog? Did you hit my dog? No. Yes, you did. Move away, move away, move away from me. Sir, I'm telling you, don't hit my dog.
I'm moving backwards right
Yeah,
now.
don't hit my dog. And don't follow my dog. If you arrest you, that's the honest.
My question is, what happened previously to this? Why was the cyclist filming him walking his dog? To be fair, when you're coming out of a time portal, there isn't always good braking distance. It would have been nice if there was debris on the gore that took out his tires. Oh well, I guess the idiot gets another day. This one made me chuckle. A game of chicken that definitely backfired. I'm pretty sure they were thinking, I've got nearly 200 rampaging stallions under the hood of this POS Nissan Altima, and I gotta let them gallop. She wanted to roll the stop sign and didn't see the camera behind her B-pillar. It still isn't an excuse. This is the exact reason you should come to a complete stop for situations like this where a car is traveling at just the right speed to match a blind spot. Hopefully, this was a lesson learned. Not sure I agree that the van was stopped at the light. It looks to me like he was driving toward the intersection when the light turned green and the SUV turned left into his line of travel. This is why it's imperative to be alert behind the wheel. Since the camera was, he was able to avert crisis. Plus, he stopped to collect himself, which was an added bonus. So many people act like they have the right of way when leaving a parking spot. This is one of the reasons why I never park at the front of the parking lot. The construction driver repeatedly almost hits the camera for not blocking a quote-unquote do not block intersection. I'd say call the company and file a report with them, but this is probably the owner. Okay, I really love how this guy runs a red in front of a karma cop and gets instant justice, but this dashcam clip is visual diarrhea. There's way too many cameras going on, and I feel like I need an Advil after watching this clip. After almost sideswiping the camera, the SUV just continued moving straight into the shoulder, which I think is where they were trying to get to go in the first place.
Oh, yes.
Nobody at fault, really, just a road hazard. It sucks if the damage is less than the camera's deductible or just not worth a possible rate hike. Driving on the wrong side of the road on two different streets and going through a steady red light, this is a special kind of stupid. This is one of my biggest fears. The driver was just minding their business, but now their whole life is changed forever.
Give me your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
I will.
Are we clear?
Yes.
Give it to me.
You'll have to wait one moment.
No, sir, I don't.
For me to look for my
Sir, you're about to go to your argument.
Are you watching this?
What?
We're going to record this. Are you recording this?
Yes, sir. Hold on. Are you going to give it to me, or are you coming out of the
I
car?
have to reach for it.
Please, go ahead.
I will driver's license.
Registration and your insurance, sir.
Okay, yeah. So Saturday, we're both working. I'm just dropping
We're
some
both
of
doing the same thing, sir. I'm providing safety and security. You're obstructing the
I have to
roadway.
provide safety
Give
and security as
me.
well.
You're not doing it, sir. You're doing a very poor job. Give me.
I'm younger and you have a lot more experience.
I am older. I do have more experience. You're younger, and I wish you would listen more than you speak. That's why I got you 2 years and 1 mouth. You listen more than you speak. Give me your registration and your insurance. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it.
Aggressive. There's a way to do it.
Sir, I apologize if you feel that way, but you have to do it
That's
yourself.
a deflection.
You have to do it
It's
yourself.
about taking accountability also for the way you
can
show up.
You can show up.
You're still a human being. I'm still a human being too.
Yes, you are, sir.
So treat me kindly.
No,
I'm not doing anything
I'm
to
treating
you.
you according to the law. Sir, I'm about to pull you out of this car. You are
This is not
obstructing.
normal.
No, it's not normal. This is not normal. This is bonkers.
No, you
Give me the registration and give me the insurance and the vehicle, sir.
1 second, please. Will you give me 1
Sir,
moment?
get out of the car. Listen to me very carefully. If you resist me,
I am not
you're going to
resisting.
make
I literally have the registration on my hand.
Give me the registration and give me the insurance. Stop playing games with me.
I am.
Give it to me. I don't want to bother you anymore.
It's on the screen.
You have to have a physical insurance.
I just got-
I know that you didn't know that. There's a lot of things you don't know.
We're all learning.
No, we're not all learning. You're learning right now. Let me see the insurance, sir.
I'm pulling it
You don't have a
out.
physical copy with you.
No, sir.
Pull up, please, and let these people out. You're welcome to watch if you like. Get your hands up.
I don't want you. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Park.
You're being aggressive, though. Why are you throwing? I'm gonna park the car, but why are you being so aggressive?
Get out of the car.
Wait 1 second. I have the thing on.
Get out of the car.
1 second. The car's in drive.
Put it in park.
Okay, but I
Put
mean,
it in
I'm.
park. Out. Turn around. Everyone. Put your hands behind your back.
Florida doesn't require physical insurance cards nor registration cards. Some cops would even let you get away with providing a name and address if you didn't have your license. All the information on those 3 items is in a statewide database they can easily see in their car computer. This cop is definitely unhinged. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I hope I can post more for y'all in the near future. With love, DDS.